we come to the elevator at the L Portal building. This is a this is an Adams fixture, loud door operator, EPCO lantern, Adams lantern. Let's go up to 3.
Looks like they locked this elevator at some point.
This is a Hotchkiss elevator. Installed in probably around 2003. Around 3. No plastic leveling. Let's go down to 1. Door closed when you push the button. Capacity 2,000 pounds. Installed in 2003 by Hotchkiss elevator as EPCO or Adams fixtures, which is kind of rare for a Hotchkiss.
Yeah, and this is for elevators on the event. It's interesting not to have VR fixtures.
Yeah.
Most of them are.
Maybe it was a mistake when they ordered it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they may have gotten these by accident, but this is pretty cool though. Anyways, here it goes. And there's a loud door operator. Probably GAL equipment. Anyways, that's it.